Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. In one of my classes this morning, we were looking at a wide range of different stories and trying to get students to decide whether they thought they were true or false, and get them to think about what kind of evidence they would need to see in order to prove something was true, what kind of evidence they'd need in order to decide something was false. One of my students was reading a story about scientific research, and she basically admitted that she was a victim of her own biases. As she said, science was a bit of a weak spot for her, and so she tended to believe anything that scientists reportedly said. In other words, when she read this story, she thought, well, it has the ring of truth about it. I'd best just give the scientists the benefit of the doubt. If you say that something has a ring or the ring of truth about it, or has a ring or the ring of truth to it, you basically mean it sounds true to you. It sounds plausible. It sounds believable. I guess it's the same idea as bells ringing, where you hear the ringing of the sound. Or if you go to a very loud gig or a concert, maybe afterwards you have a ringing sound in your ears. It's often used in legal dramas or in kind of cop dramas or whatever. So maybe the police arrest someone, they take the suspect in for questioning, and the problem is that everything this guy says has the ring of truth to it, so it's really difficult to know whether he's lying or not. Maybe you're a member of a jury during a court case and one of the witnesses comes forward to give evidence, and they give this very detailed witness statement, and it has a ring of truth to it, which makes it hard for you to decide whether they're telling the truth or not. And sometimes it might be that you're talking to someone you know, and you might think, well, there is a ring of truth to what she's saying, so I'm really not sure what to think now. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use ring of truth.